What's the biggest lesson you've learnt through trading?
So I think the biggest lesson that I've learned through trading or while I was doing trading is that trading is not just buying and selling. If you want to be successful in that, you need to treat trading as a business. So like in any business, you need to, if you want to succeed, you need to have certain competitive edges. So same thing applies here as well. So if you want to succeed in a trading, if you want success for your trading strategy, then you need to have certain competitive edges that you need to gather. It can be anything. It can be your trading strategy itself, or the speed at which you can come up with new ideas, or it can be your infrastructure technology, or it can be your low brokerage, or it can be the markets that you have access to. It can be anything, but it has to be a mix of competitive edges that you need to work towards gathering them to make sure that you are profitable. So just like in any business, you will do that. And even if you are opening a grocery shop, you will probably look at the competitive advantages in terms of what kind of rent you're paying, what kind of location you have your shop at, how you're procuring those goods, right? So
Yeah.
it's the same thing. You need to treat it as a business.